So today we're going to be doing another technique in the Flexi Crochet series, which is going to be half up, half down. This is how my hair was braided, and I have a video on how I keep and maintain the synthetic hair so that it doesn't tangle excessively and remains brushable for the entire time of my install. So the first thing I would do is put away my hair at the top so that I can have access to the back half. So this technique almost looks like the half and half, like if you were to do half cornrows up top and half weave in the back. And that's what this technique imitates. The goal will ultimately be to fill in all of the cornrows and make a full head crochet install, but I'm just doing it in steps to show styling versatility. See you at the back of my head.